Well, I have a little bit of a different and interesting video for you guys. As you can see, I relocated my studio. This was actually the last carving on my carving table in my old studio, titled Cappuccino. I love my coffees. And so now I begin the process of cleaning up all of my tools and stone, putting it into a truck and transporting it about 500 miles north to Prince George. This has been an absolutely amazing space for me. I've created so many amazing carvings. I've actually been carving in this space for about 5 years and have really been able to develop my ability as an artist. As I was cleaning things out, I came across this old notebook, and here's some sketches I did when I started my whale carving. This was an epic piece done in Italian marble that actually took me 4 months to carve. And here is the symbolic process of lowering my sign. Don't try this at home, and I made it. For the record, I got this sign made at Vistaprint. I ordered it online about 10 years ago, and yeah, it's been awesome. Wow, 5 years of creative expression in this space, coming to a close, taking it all in, trying to be sentimental, but really I'm just excited to move on and keep creating my reality. Just carrying the last piece of stone out of the studio, and here we are in central BC at the new space. Very green. You can see I'm excited. I got big ideas. I'm pointing out all the things that I'm going to do. Oh yeah, I'm talking about the camera angles and the new camera shots. I'm excited about the new visuals. So hopefully Instagram eats that up. Here I am now unloading some stone with the help of a local contractor in exchange for a painting that I gifted them. So this was essentially a skill exchange. He has an incredible skill of operating this machine. I've developed a skill for art and painting, and we were able to exchange that, and it worked out great for both of us. Going to be loading the carving tables in. I actually built these tables based on a design that I learned from the first studio that I was at, and those tables have been serving me for probably 7 years, and they're as stable as ever. There's my dog Hazel. That's one of the great things about this studio, is she can hang out. Speaking of hanging out, I found this little guy in my studio. Cool toad. Hi, little guy. Actually, I think that would make a really cool carving, so that's on my list now. So just using this 3/4 inch plywood for a makeshift floor to get things started, but I will have to probably build something in the long term. All right, let's get that sign up. Gotta get the sign up. Got this perfect spot back here. This was actually a horse corral, and it's not going to be used for 2 years, so I get to occupy it during that time. Dang, looking good, looking good. Hi, Hazel. Okay, now I'm just going to put up this string of light, and the light is actually pretty cool in the inside. And lighting for creating carvings is so important to help you see the carving from all different angles. For me, I don't like any direct sunlight. I like more of a diffused light. So getting the right lighting system or having nice natural light, I find is what works best for helping me see those details, see those angles. All right, time to move my first stone in. I got it hooked on this board here. Let me try this board underneath. Let's try that. Okay, that's not really working. Let's one more try. Nope. Okay, let's flip it over. And it's in. So I am actually super excited to get started on this project. It's a commission polar bear piece out of the Italian alabaster, which I absolutely love working in. And it's going to cover my studio with white stone dust, which makes it seem a little more clean. All right, studio ready, stone ready, artist ready, lights ready, sign ready. Let's do this. So I hired my first studio assistant. On his resume, he said he was 20, but I don't know. I think he's a little younger than that. I'm going to test him out. Just kidding. That's my son, Phoenix. He's just over 2 years old. And honestly, one of the great things about this studio also is he'll be able to spend a little more time there, something that wasn't possible in my other studio. So that's adding a ton of value to the whole experience. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe or follow. I can't wait to start making some art in this space, and I'll see everyone in the next video. Keep on creating.